Hi, I'm Nick Ackerson. I'm the Director of Marketing with Laser Technology, Inc. Laser Technology began in 1986 with two founding members, David Williams and Jeremy Dunn. David Williams is our now CEO, and Jeremy Dunn is our Chief Technology Officer. Eric Miller joined the company about 3 years later as an engineer, and he is now the president and the COO of the company. We've been in business for 30 years, and we're the world leader in pulse laser measurement technology. We came from humble beginnings. We had a few key foundational projects that really got the company its start. One of those being the first handheld total station for surveying and mapping. And we also did a little work with NASA for space docking missions with our pulse laser measurement technology to measure distances between the station and the shuttle. All other technologies were not able to be used because it interfered with some of the technologies that were on the shuttle, and what they found the LiDAR to do was to be able to measure that accurate distance, and they could dock with those space stations safely. From there, after some key military projects that we did for things like in-flight de-icing and refueling aircraft, we created the first ever handheld speed enforcement laser. It's called the Marksman. It was a big, gray, clunky laser unit. From there, the technology evolved into what's known as the LTI 2020 Ultralight. It was smaller, it was cheaper to make, it was just a better overall unit, and it was made with an extruded aluminum shell, which made it extremely rugged and durable, which the officers really like. They're very hard on their equipment. You could run this over with a police car, pick it up, and still use that unit. And that was in about the late 90s, and in the 2000s, that technology evolved once again into what's known as the TrueSpeed today and the TrueSpeed S. From the TrueSpeed line in the speed enforcement portfolio, it evolved into what's known today as the TrueCam and the TrueVision. And that is the first ever video and photographic LiDAR speed enforcement tool for police officers. So now, not only are they getting you violating the speed, they're also capturing a picture of you and your license plate. There are 1.2 million traffic fatalities every year in the world, and the products that we put into the hands of police officers help them and allow them to enforce the violators and the speeding and get that under control, because a lot of those deaths are speeding related. There's things like distracted driving and aggressive driving, road rage, all factored into that. But the crux of the problem is speed related traffic fatalities, and our instruments put in the hands of officers really help to curtail that. An example is in Morocco in 2011, they passed some laws to fix the traffic safety problem that they had there. It was quite a staggering amount of deaths that were occurring because of speeding. And we put the speed enforcement lasers into the Moroccan police departments and their officers. They're therefore traffic officers. And at the end of 2014, they had decreased the amount of fatalities by 14% because of those instruments. Laser technology utilizes a number of different channels to get our instruments into the hands of police officers so they can conduct their speed enforcement activities. One of those ways is the Washington-led state contract provided by NASPO Value Point. It allows a great deal of flexibility in ease of purchasing, and allows us a lot more flexibility and accessibility to our customers to get those instruments into the hands of their officers.